watching. Now, this little video is all about the gluten and dairy-free cooking course, which I'm super excited about. So I am a specialist gluten and dairy-free teacher, and I'm also a nutrition therapist. So the two things go hand in hand, and I do know that dairy is very inflammatory, and gluten can cause all sorts of chaos, not least if you are celiac or non-celiac gluten intolerant person. Allergies and intolerances cause a lot of chaos with people and stress. And so this course is really exciting. Now, I've been teaching lots of the recipes here up at the Leith School of Food and Wine, and the students there have absolutely loved it. So I'm really pleased to bring it to you in a video format that you can keep for life. Now, there are loads of bread recipes, wraps, soda breads, nut and seed loaves, focaccia, all sorts of things, because I do feel that when you become gluten-free, it's the bread that's the first thing that becomes a problem. And I want you to have recipes that are going to be brilliant, super simple to make, but that you can have out with friends and family, and you're not going to feel alone, and they are going to enjoy them too. So that is one of my big box to tick. I want you to have recipes to enjoy for every occasion. So we've got fantastic sausage rolls in there with the most amazing short crust pastry, a gorgeous leek and prosciutto tart with a delicious almond and sunflower seed pastry. There is, I had to put in some ice cream because that is to die for. Banana and peanut butter ice cream, dairy-free. You wouldn't know, it's divine. And some amazing warm raspberry muffins at the end. Of course, there's pizza in there. We all need pizza. So, scroll down, have a look at the photos. There is something to cover every eventuality, and I think you're going to really love it. Remember that if you buy the course, you've got the videos for life. So all of these techniques are going to be with you. So the techniques I cover, I think, cover a multitude of areas about gluten-free cooking. And, it really is, suffice to say, you cannot just swap gluten-free flour in and out, or, you do need to have some understanding. Also, something I'm very passionate about is I want you to be able to cook these recipes yourself, because when you become gluten and dairy free, you no doubt will end up at the free from aisle in your local supermarket. And for me, that's quite terrifying. It wasn't at the beginning, but the reality is that marketing has taken over these products, and they all look wonderful, super smart packaging, really nice brand names. But if you turn them over and look at the back and see the list of strange ingredients and chemicals that go into making these products, so similar to the ones that have gluten in, it's really horrifying, and you are going to do your bodies no end of bad by filling your stuff up with pre-prepared or ultra-processed food, as we now know it. So there's a lot of undercurrent in my teaching about that. I want you to be able to do these things yourself, enjoy them, and know that you're eating well yourselves. So with the recipe pack, there's a lot of information at the end, some suppliers and more information about the different types of flours, which I think you'll find really interesting, and some interesting information about xanthan gum, which is widely used in the catering commercial industry in gluten-free food. It's actually an industrial wallpaper paste at the same time. So it's so important for me to be able to tell you that, to make sure, because you can become terribly sensitive to that. It can cause all sorts of other things, because people who are celiac and have non-celiac gluten intolerances and dairy intolerances are likely to have a sensitive gut. So when you start piling things like industrial wallpaper paste, because it's good for gluten-free cooking, that can just cause more problems as well. And I don't want that. So I want you to enjoy these amazing recipes. It comes from my heart and my passion, and this is how I live, and enjoy them all. Okay.